Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Monday the 3rd of November with me, Rich, Pre-Market Analyst at Handtech Markets. Moving on to gold now, and I think the gold price has now cleaned out this series of key supports, $1,180. If you're going to get exact on it, it's 1180.70 was that critical low from June last year. And I think that now we've seen that move down on Friday. We've also seen a trade throughout today, or throughout the early half of today, below 1180 as well. And I think that the market is now getting getting used to the fact that we're trading down at these levels. In terms of momentum indicators, you'd certainly say that the MACD lines are in negative configuration, also stochastics as well. RSI, you could argue, is actually a little bit towards oversold, but certainly negative configuration. That 1180.70 level now becomes the initial basis of resistance, but certainly I think you'd also look at the fact that 1200 has been a psychological support, and I think will be now the psychological resistance as well. So I think any sort of rebound that you get should be a chance to sell on gold. You could argue that there is a slight element of support that's come in overnight. We haven't yet broken down Friday's reaction low at 111.61.25, so we haven't yet broken that down, so maybe we could have a bit of an unwinding technical rally, but I think if you got that, I think that would be a chance to sell anyway. Now in terms of the downside, back on the daily chart, you're sort of opening up the lows. I mean, you're already back towards 2010, and if I zoom in into those sort of levels that we saw in 2010, then you'll get an idea of the fact that we're looking at the 1160 level is obviously a bit of an area, old highs and key lows. So 157 area is not too bad in terms of support, but if that goes, then you're certainly back at the 1125 area, and then maybe back down towards sort of 1080 as well. So some downside targets potentially what you've got there, but certainly it looks like the pressure is growing to the downside and on gold, and it looks like we're going to see further sell-off in due course. So any sort of rebound is a chance to sell on gold. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.